Fourth time's the charm. Oh my god, it's so hot. My feet are burning. Oh shit. And I will come back and tighten these down, but for now, I just want to see it installed. Because if the weather cooperates, we are going out sailing this weekend. And you can't sail without a seat. I'm also going to change the color of that to be a charcoal gray, but there is the new seat. Here it is around the back. This is so much better. I don't know. It's higher. It's definitely higher, which is good for me because from here to here I'm pretty short, but my husband is really tall from here to here, so we may have to have this slid over, or he may have to sit on the outside here so his head can go way up there. We'll see, but oh my gosh, so much more comfortable. Oh, yay.